the core of many processes, you find a powder mixer, just like the one next to me. We call it hybrid powder mixer due to its unique design. The Alfa Laval hybrid powder mixer is built on an Alfa Laval LK8 multi-stage pump. What we've done is that we have replaced the first pumping section with a high-share mixing section. This allows for mixing and pumping at the same time from one unit. This also means fast mixing, low running and maintenance costs. Let's have a closer look at the unique design. Combination of recirculation loop and ejector is where the vacuum is generated and maintained. This allows for a high and stable vacuum during addition of ingredients. Combination of high-share mixing section and pump section allows for fast mixing and discharge. Alfa Laval hybrid powder mixer is a versatile unit, targeting manufacturing customers that requires a powder mixer that offers ability to do mixing and cleaning from one unit. If you want to know more about the Alfa Laval hybrid powder mixer, visit our website or reach out.